good judgment, I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise